Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can always contact us using the number that is given on the video and the channel. So we are covering Hammersmith Bridge. The next one here is the Upper Mall Road to Lonsdale Road. So let's get into this. So let's see our points. So that's green here, red here. So we're traveling from green, and this is our destination here. So let's zoom in a bit. So we're starting from this point here. So click on this point and come down here, staying on the left side, go up, and then turn this way, and then coming here. So once again, we can't go this way, so we need to come all the way. So we need to go all the way towards the roundabout. So keep going straight from here, and you can see the roundabout here. So we need to take this roundabout. Take this roundabout, come back here, come back here. Keep going straight, don't touch the sidelines. That's the important part here. Keep going straight. So again here, when you get to this point here, we can see that this is the Hammersmith flyover, but where our point is down here. So that means we need to come down this way. So we don't need to take this flyover, right? So we'll just come around here, and there is a roundabout here. So we'll take this, and we come down here. So keep going straight down, and you can see the point here. So we can easily turn towards this road. So keep going straight, and get to this point. Once you get to this point, make sure that you click on this just to show that you are here. So this is the route that we have taken, the most direct route. The only thing is that you need to remember, we can't go right from here. We can need to come all the way back, taking this roundabout, and then from here we don't need to stay on the Hammersmith flyover. We need to stay down here to take the roundabout to get to this point. Okay, thank you for watching.